Look.
Oh my goodness.
What's that you have, Sam?
Look.
What is it?
Look.
Bars?
Look. Sam's has missing ones.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I don't.
How does it taste?
I didn't even try it. Good.
You did good, John.
It's good.
Is it good, Sam?
Yeah.
Yeah? What is it?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Is it chocolate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it the best brownie you ever had?
Yeah. It's money.
What do you think, LJ? Is it better than Mummy's brownies?
Yeah.
Yeah? Better not tell Mummy. What do you think, Sam? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yum.
Can you say thanks, Andy?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Andy.
It's good candy.
Thank you, Andy.
Alright, good. Thank you.
Good job, LJ. What do you think, Sam? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.